Jira has many wonderful plugins for doing time recording as well as its own native time recording. We're going to show you in this video how to safely synchronize multiple different time recording methods into Workfront so you do not blow up your time reporting in Workfront.
This recording is demonstrating the sync of worklogs from Jira to Workfront. We have several tasks with worklogs added in Jira. First is other emails tab, which has 2 hours timesheeted. And then additional task 1 that has 1 hour timesheeted. Before syncing these worklogs to Workfront, let's make sure that there are no worklogs there now. So we can see that for other emails first build, there are no hours in the task. And now let's check additional task 1. Additional task 1 does not have any worklogs either. So let's go to Put It Forward platform to our worklogs integration. Worklogs are being synced based on the particular time frame that user can define inside the connector. Because we added both timesheets today, I'm going to choose the time frame of today. So basically from March 29th to March 29th. And save the changes. Now let's trigger the process and see how worklogs appear in Workfront. The process has started running. Let's give it a minute. Alright, we can see that many more worklogs have been picked up. That is fine. We limited the number of records to just 5. And the 2 worklogs we've added did not make it to these first 5 records. So let's increase the number of records to 50 and run the connector again. That's the old process. It has completed running. And that's the new one that has just been started. Okay, now we see that the total number of timesheets were 49, but 47 were skipped, so the 2 worklogs that we have added should have been picked up. Yep, so we can see our project are R8408 and the tasks 22 and 43. Let's check the Workfront now. So for additional tasks, we have 1 hour logged for the date of March 29th. And let's check now the other task. And that's other emails first build task that had 2 hours logged. They're now in Workfront and the date is March 29th.